Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we see the top 10 best home theaters under 30,000 and 40,000 in India in 2021. If you are watching this channel for a first time, subscribe and watch. We categorize this list into two. Under 40,000, we see the top 7 home theaters, and under 30,000 we see the top 3 home theaters. Under 40,000, the Pioneer SBX 101 wireless soundbar plays the 7th place. It has a metallic finish that gives an elegant look to the speaker and the soundbar. We can place this in front of our TV because of its small size without blocking the screen. The system has a wireless connectivity features. This can be connected by optical inputs and they can be paired with Bluetooth. And the pros of the system is a very compact system and it is compatible with many devices. We can connect your tablets, laptops, mobile phones with this device with the easy mode, and it also has a remote control, but it does not have a HDMI ARC connectivity. This is the one of the cons of the system. If you want to purchase this item, purchase from Amazon store. Its price is 9,900. And the Philips HTL 5160B 12 Dolby Digital 320 watts Bluetooth soundbar plays the 6th place in this list. This device is convenient and it is easy to control. The soundbar produces a high quality sound with a powerful bass and treble with a power output of 320 watts. It gives you a realistic movie experience. The system has a Bluetooth, HDMI and optical input connectivity option. This can be paired with a TV, smartphone for easy control and good experience. The Philips also gives you an app for easy setup and control. And the pros of the system is it has a good performance under this price range, and it also supports a Bluetooth pairing, and the Philips also gives you a companion app for easy control, and it also compatible with Spotify and Google Cast. And the cons of the system, it does not have a FM connectivity option and the operating distance is also less. If you want to purchase this item, purchase this from Flipkart. Its price is 24,990. Samsung HWQ60 or XL 360 watt Bluetooth soundbar places a 5th place in this list. This system is a combo of a subwoofer and a soundbar along with a remote. It can produce a 360 watt power output enough to give a crystal clear sound effects. It has a sleek and compact design and also has a wireless connectivity feature. The soundbar and a subwoofer are compact and can be easily handled. This system is wireless and it has a Bluetooth connectivity option. It also provided with a remote for easy control of the system. The pro feature of this system is it has a superb bass and it has a compact design, so it is easy to handle, and it also has a wireless connection and it is convenient for use. And the cons of this system is it does not have much connectivity options. There is no memory card slot. If you want to purchase this system, purchase this from Flipkart and the price is 25,999. And the Pioneer XBX 301 wireless soundbar places a 4th place in this list. This is a 2.1 channel system with wireless connectivity options. This soundbar and subwoofer has a metallic finish that gives an elegant look. This soundbar has a inbuilt Bluetooth HDMI ARC connectivity and a wireless subwoofer. It also has a USB connectivity option. It has a simple remote control for the easy control of the device. Pro feature of this system, it has a clear and thumping bass and the sound quality is too good, and also has a wide range of connectivity options. And the cons of the system is it has only 2 items and it does not have a FM connectivity option. If you want to purchase this system from the Amazon, and the price is 19,900. Sony HD IV300 Real 5.1 channel Dolby Digital DTH home theater system places a 3rd place in this list. This system is a 5.1 channel system and it has a pair of front speakers and a pair of surround speakers and a center speaker together, which can give a cinematic experience at your home. This model is compatible with Bluetooth, and we can also connect DDH through HDMI or optical input. It can also be connected with a PlayStation or a Blu-ray player. This system is equipped with Clear Audio Plus technology to give a clear sound quality. A digital music enhancer optimizes the sound to give a better user experience. The pro feature of this system is it has a Clear Audio Plus technology for a clear audio quality. The football mode gives a stadium feel. It also has a wide connectivity options. It gives a high quality bass, and the design is compact and elegant. The cons of this system is it does not have a FM connectivity option, and the operating distance of the remote control is less, and it does not have a equalizer settings for equalizing the each speakers. If you want to purchase this system, purchase this from Amazon, and the price is 22,966. Yamaha YHT 1840 4K Ultra HD 5.1 channel home theater system places a second place in this list. This 5.1 channel system comes with the 5 satellite speakers and a subwoofer that can be easily controlled by remote. This model is designed to give a high clarity sound with high power output. This 5.1 channel speaker package comes with one receiver and one subwoofer, makes the complete worth of 30,000 with Yamaha home theater. The one touch start is something that you won't get with any other theater in this list. It also supports 4K Ultra HD and Blu-ray with advanced receiver compatible with multiple devices. Virtual Cinema Friend that delivers a high quality and resolution to the sound. The pro features of this system is it has a great sound output, and it also has a FM connectivity option. It supports 4K Ultra HD. It also has a feature of extra bass. The cons of the system is it supports only HDMI connectivity, and the operating distance is less. If you want to purchase this item, purchase this from Amazon, and the price is 30,000. Under 30,000, Logitech Z906 5.1 surround sound speaker system places the first place in this list. Logitech surround sound speaker is a THS certified system that can create a theateristic experience anywhere with its explosive, detailed surround system. This 5.1 channel surround system comes with 5 satellite speakers and a subwoofer along with a remote control. Without any second thought, this is one of the best home theaters under 30,000. Even in a big room, this channel provides a 5.1 surround system. This system will not compromise in bass and sound. It has a 1000 watt power output. They provide THS certified speakers, so we can easily change between movies, music or gaming sound mixtures. The pro features of this system is it gives a cinematic sound experience, and it supports both digital and analog inputs. It is easy to control through remote, and it also gives a rich and powerful bass, and they also provide a headphone jack for private listening. And the cons of the design is the system is bulk in design, and the cables are not long enough compared to others. In next video, I try to upload the top 3 best home theaters under 40,000 in 2021. So subscribe and stay in our channel.